Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's demonstration we will see how you can use delete adapter service in web method. Okay, so we already discussed in previous demonstration how you can use the insert adapter service, how you can use the select adapter service. The video already uploaded on the same channel. You can go through the particular videos so that you will get to know how you can use a delete adapter service. Okay, so before that we need to check the adapter connectivity first. Okay, so just click on the adapters. After that, let me open the web method adapter for JDBC. Okay, so click on the particular connection. Here there are two connection but having a different database. Okay, so now I created one adapter connection. Let me open this particular connection. Here the web method adapter for JDBC connection adapter, this is a package name, server name localhost. You can see your database name is a book, and let me open the SQL Server Management Studio. Here you can see SA is the user, book this is my database, and here a book table I created. Okay, and now I'm expecting book ID 104. I want to delete this particular record, because here only we have a two records. Okay, but the live project, if you have like client having a database and they having a 500 record, a 600 record, and they wanted to delete a particular kind of a record. Okay, so we don't have a client database access. So now how you can do in web method? Okay, so very first we need to create a adapter service. Okay, so as I created the adapter package, then adapter folder, then connection. Okay, so click on the particular folder, right click new in adapter service. Okay, give the user defined name as a delete adapter service. Okay, click on next. Here we need to select the adapter type. Okay, so there are three kinds of adapter. So now we are looking for adapter for JDBC. Okay, select and next. Here there are two connections. Those connection activated on the database, yeah, on the server, it will be list you can see here. Okay, so now we check the adapter connectivity for the connection related alias. So you can select this and click on next. Okay, after that you can see here different kinds of templates like custom, select, update, insert and all. So now we are looking for a delete SQL. Okay, so click on delete SQL and click on finish. Now this particular adapter service got created. Now the setting part is there. Okay, so here we need to select the table name and schema. Okay, so let's click on this particular three dot. Here you can see the book, this is a database. Schema, we need to mention your table. So book, this is my table name. Okay, click on OK. After that, here you can see the where option. Okay, so I set a primary key for a book ID. So I'm just clicking on this insert row option and selecting this book ID. So like runtime, it will capture this book ID. Okay, after that, here you can see column book ID, JDBC type integer, and input field type. You need to select a string in web method. Okay, after that, delete, you can keep this part as is, no problem. Result, you can mention the field as a result, so that we'll get to know the particular record got deleted or not. Okay, after that, adapter setting, you can see here the adapter name, connection name, and then service template. Please delete SQL. Okay. After that, input output you can see. Okay. Result, this is a field, but it's showing as a object. Okay. So we need to change this. So how you can change? Here you can see the result type. So change it by string. After that, now you can see the result object get changed to string. After that, log field you can check, and if you have requirement of comment, you can mention here as a comment. Okay, after that, once it get done, then don't forget to save. Like you need to save your demo first so that it will active on your database. So Click on the delete adapter service, then run service. Okay, so here book id, let me check into the management studio. Here I want to delete the 104 record. Okay, so here you can select the 104 record, then click on ok. Now you can see here, in our database 104 only one record we have. That's why result showing here 1. Okay, and this particular record got deleted. So how you identify the particular record it deleted or not? Let's get into your database. Click on your book table. After that, select this option, select top 100 rows. Okay, after that you can see here the 104, the particular record we have, the particular record got deleted. So guys, that's all about today's demonstration. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Also you can share with your friends. Don't forget to click on the bell icon, okay, so that I am uploading the new video on the same channel, you will get to know. Okay, and we'll see you in next workshop. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected. Thank you so much.